John the Mouse. The 1888 barn was originally constructed in the settlement known as East Sioux Falls. As agricultural land use was discontinued at the site, the barn was not used and fell into despair. The barn's design is unique in the front facade was extended with a false storefront for commercial use as a stagecoach stop. Behind the facade is a space for the coach and associated office space. The barn space was used to keep horses in the stalls with a hayloft above for feed. The unique style of the barn design is attributed to Wallace A. Dowell, a prominent local architect of the period. The architect completed extensive historic research, starting with the only photograph in existence of the barn on its original East Sioux Falls site, shown with a circle. The barn was moved to its current location near the quarries on the east side of Sioux Falls. The site and barn were donated to the city of Sioux Falls for development into a 26-acre park. Stabilization and preservation documents were prepared, which called for temporary moving the barn to construct new footings and foundation walls. Complete restoration of the exterior was accomplished by using original historic components as a guide for reproduction of new materials where required. The interior has been preserved in its original condition with all the materials and interior spaces left exactly as constructed in 1888. Thank you for watching my video. I do have more for you to view. Just press on the button. And if you'd like to subscribe to stay up to date, you can push that button too.